Hello everyone, welcome back on the Stemo channel. Guys, I'm Ramkis Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. Here you can see we have done 3 parts. First was just setting up and converting in the URP. Third one was setting up with the VR. In this tutorial what we are going to do, we are going to just perform a particular action the basis of our command. Like mobile or PC, whenever you will click tap and press, then you are able to talk with the bot, and then whenever you are releasing, so bot will talk to you. And in VR you have to press A, then you can talk, and then you release, then she will reply. But whenever you are clicking on the A button, so at that time you can perform particular action. In this short video I ask her to dance, so she dance. So basically in this video we are going to learn that how we can perform a dance or any particular action. So if you are new on the channel, make sure subscribe the channel. You can support the channel by supporting on the Patreon, as well as you can give thanks on the YouTube. So let's start the today video. You can see we have the Amelia. This is the by default, and whatever I am sharing, it is not related to only VR or anywhere. It is just common, so you can use anywhere. Basically here you can see it is action and animation, and this is the reverse Namaste. This is only animation that we are going to perform on her. Any action you can perform. First of all, we have to go on the Amelia. So here is the Amelia. On Amelia, we have the animation controller. So here is the NPC animation. Just open it, and here you can see there are so many state of animation. And whenever we are going here, so here you will see that is here is one script that is Convai AI action handler. So just open this one, and here you can see there is action methods. So there are different kind of action. There is basically 2 kind of action. First one is just you asking her to just picking up or dropping something or doing something, and second one is just you are asking to do something specifically on that position. It might be your animation. So basically one should be a particular task, one should be a particular pose or particular action or particular animation. So here is the dance thing. So here you can see this is the action, this is the dance, this is basic normal action, and here you can see this is the drop. So basically picking up, like picking something, and this is the drop choice. Okay, first you have to just click on the plus button, and here is the action that is drop. Okay, so we are going to change it. So here we have the animation that is the reverse Namaste, and give the name is the reverse Namaste. So basically this is the action, and you have to call this action. Means whenever I am pressing A button, so I will call her that can you perform a reverse Namaste, so she will perform. And here is the animation name. So what we have to do, here is the state, or you can take a new state, or you can just duplicate this one. So depends on you. Here is the crouch, and basically we have to give the exact name of animation. Whatever you are giving the name, that name should be on there. So here is the reverse. So just I am giving same name, that is the for best practice. I am just giving the exactly same name as the model. So that is the reverse Namaste. So this is the reverse Namaste, and here we have to pass the animation. So just open this one, and here is the animation, and this name should be same here. Where on Amelia, whenever you are going here we have animation name, so it should be same as a state name. Just click here and control A and paste here. Here is the drop, so you can just do the none because it is just specifically animation, and you can create the build or you can just perform task. So she will do whatever you want in mobile. So let me ask and let me see how it's working. Hello, can you do a reverse Namaste for me?
Sure. I can show you how to do a reverse Namaste. Just watch my hands and I'll guide you through it. Remember, it's important to go slowly.
So something wrong with the animation. So yes, she just drop in the ground. So basically it is generic. We have to do humanoid and then apply, and we can ask again her. Just ask, press T. Basically we are in the mobile. Hello, can you do reverse Namaste for me?
Of course. I can show you how to do the reverse Namaste. Just follow my lead.
So here you can see she is following me, but basically she did not understand, she did not listen properly, but she performed. Basically here is the word reverse, so she just search, and it is based on AI, so she just follow whatever I told her. Can you do reverse Namaste for me?
Sure.
This time
I can demonstrate the reverse Namaste for you. Here it is.
Great. So here you can see how she is following me. So this is the way to perform the action. If you want to ask, let me know in the comment box, and see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.